Welcome back to Absurd Automotive, everybody. My name is Wyatt, and this is my little sister Isabel. If you guys remember her from the beginning of the channel, here's a little playback of that. I want to jump the snow pile. Let's see if that's possible. So, obviously she came up having out, being in Alaska. It's a pretty neat place to be in. But Mustang's all finished for the most part. We got to just kind of fix some things and finish out some things. Number one is going to be getting the gauges working. I have most of them working, but the oil and temperature are just not having it. So we're going to change out the sensors, and then we'll start chasing wires. No idea what that could be, but I have a not the brand new steering wheel. I redid the steering wheel, so that is nice and beautiful now. The original steering wheel, and I did the seats as well, so seats are in there now. Super pretty. We did the mirrors, all little stuff. So we're gonna try and take this car out onto the highway and see if it'll do highway speeds or if this thing will crash. I have not driven this past probably 30 miles an hour. So this will be the first time we're really taking it the speed limit on the highway here. Probably gonna let Isabel drive it. We'll see how that goes because she's actually gonna be here for the Prowl for Power event in the end of August, August 24th. The day before that, there's a street night. So I'm gonna see if the track will let her drag race the car. It'll be your first drag event ever. I don't know if they'll let her drive, but we'll see. So, biggest concern of mine right now is that the car might not be aligned. I haven't done an alignment and I haven't gone above 30, so I haven't really seen the car shake at all. We're gonna find out how bad that is. All right, so with the car obviously not having all of its gauges, we're just gonna hope and pray that the oil pressure stays up, and then we have a temp gun for our temperature. We're gonna try and drive this thing on highway speeds. I doubt it's gonna go well, but you never know. Oh, and on dry rotted tires too. What? Well, look at how far we've come. We have cool Mustangs now instead of crappy Jeeps.
We had a cool Mustang back then as well. Actually, we still have the Mustang.
Yeah, it's sitting in the garage rotting away.
It's just dusty, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna get on the highway, drive it a little bit, and kind of see where the temp's at, and then
Do you have the heat on right now?
I don't think so.
I can feel heat radiating.
That's because there's a hole in my heater box. That's nice. So we have decided, we just checked the car over. It's not overheating. It's actually holding pretty good on temps. But we decided we're not going to go straight to the highway because that's probably a bad idea. So we're going to give it our little beans on some back roads, and then we will slowly work our way onto the highway speeds. And this thing pulls right pretty bad. Pretty comfortable with it. I mean, it's responsive, it's just a little off. It seems to pick up pretty good. It doesn't seem to hate its life. It doesn't sound like the motor, right?
No, it sounds almost like the tire. Like,
yeah, but it's only when I touch the gas. Just gave it a bunch.
Well, I'm just saying, it smells like...
We out and check the car in a second. Alright, here's a chance to give her little beans. Everything seems to be holding together. Alright. See how it's doing. I mean, like I said, it doesn't sound terrible. It's got oil pressure, I know that, because it's getting it to the valve, but maybe it's not enough.
I forgot about the steering.
You forgot about the steering?
Yes, I did.
Alright. Well, how'd you like it?
It's pretty good. Not too good.
I mean, just slam it all the way there. It's good. Oh. Now let's see if this thing overheating or anything, and we'll take it on highway speeds. But yeah, what'd you think? You drove your first 68 Mustang. Your brother built, I was gonna say your brother built from literally the ground up and hasn't done an alignment.
It's terrifying.
This is pretty scary to drive with that alignment issue.
But, it's actually, it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Alright, well, it's not overheating at all. Nothing's weird. I want to put a seatbelt on, but
Me too. I'm just kind of like, give me safety, please.
We're not going to go far because I don't really have all the equipment to get us back if something breaks. So it's bad. It's really bad. That's pretty bad for an alignment. But I mean, this thing probably hasn't been aligned since the freaking. I mean, it's definitely been before the 90s. This thing was last registered in 91. So this thing hasn't had an alignment in 30 plus years.
I feel like I'm in a time. Yeah, when you like took off the first time, I was like, we're gonna shift hard, and it's just gonna like, we're gonna go, we're done. Like, I was like, one hard shift, and we're blowing up.
Thanks. Tap the gauge hard enough. You think it'll work?
No.
Here we go. She's looking really good. Everything's running good. All the temps are good. Motor temps are good. Fluid, the transmission, nothing is above like 200 degrees. So it's actually running really good, and the water pump's working. And other thing we're not working right now is going to be our gauges, but we're going to replace the sensors. There's a temp sensor right there. And the oil pressure's down there, so we'll fix all that. But other than that, this car is running beautifully. Looks super beautiful. Just gotta get new tires on there and she'll be ready to go. This car is all done. I put all the lights in. You can see, got all the reflectors, lights, all the chrome back here. She's got everything. Yeah, I think it's leaking transmission fluid a little bit. Just a little bit of a drip. Yeah, it might just be excess stuff too. Just because it's hot, and I mean, I overfilled it a little bit when I first did it, and I had to empty it, so I don't know. But yeah, what do you think so far? Is it a bad ride for my first ever test drive in this car?
It's got better suspension than my truck does. So.
I think this is the best test drive I think we've ever done.
Yeah.
I mean, you've only tested. I was saying, you've You only test drove like a couple vehicles with me, so. It's better than the Jeep. That's a plus. That's not really saying much though. All right, well, let's get this thing back.
Right. Not exactly a fuel efficient car.
Smiles per gallon.
I have not heard that one.
What's your fuel economy? -3.
Right? Mine's like, my truck is like 14.
This thing probably gets like 8.
Right?
If I'm being nice to it. This is like the first sports car I've ever owned. It's a V8.
I have a V8. It's not a sports car.
Yes, my early 2000s Dodge 1500.
No, it's a 1997.
Oh,
it's the
sorry.
90s.
Oh, sorry. My late 90s V8 Dodge truck. It's really sporty. I cannot get enough of that sound.
Mine's over here like,
Yay! Fast car!
is the temp gauge working yet?
My target really. It moved! I did move! No, it's still not working. You saw that move though, right?
Yeah.
Oh my fuck! It's working! The oil pressure's working! The temp's not, but the oil pressure is. What? The oil pressure's working! It's reading! My oil pressure's reading!
What?
Well, that's cool. My gauges are working now.
It's happy to work.
I feel like the Dukes of Hazzard when they had the General Lee running for the first time.
Don't cut seatbelts. Suspension's ass.
Hey, Dad, we broke our backs.
We're just like you. Twinsies.
That's overdrive. Alright, we're doing about 80 something. This steering wheel feels really low. It's just downshifting, that's all.
I'm gonna die. I don't even have a second.
I felt really loose at 80. We're not doing that again.
Yeah, if you hit 120 my ass.
Oh, we definitely could if I just fixed all of the steering problems and the tires and so many other problems we're having.
I think we install those shit handles. I got nothing. I can hold on to the seat that's halfway that's like break.
Oh, I can smell the rubber.
It's a great smell, Wyatt. Thank you so much.
I just burned tires at like a little bit of a turn, but that was pretty good. All right, Isabel, what do you think of the Mustang? It's all nice and pretty. Not really, it's still a little ugly, but it's fine. What do you think? First test drive of the car is doing pretty good?
Yeah, didn't blow up on us, so I think that's
I mean, that was the first one hit highway speeds with no alignment in 30 plus years and dry rotted tires that are 30 plus years old. I think we did pretty good.
I think we did great.
No blowouts, no crashes. It didn't overheat anything. The gauges worked for like 3 minutes and they shut off again. So clearly at least one of the gauges work. The oil sensor gauge works, but the temp gauge, I'm not sure if that works yet. We're gonna go get new gauges, and I'm gonna try and find that wire issue we're having, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Isabel and the little cameo in the video. We're gonna do Proud for Power, there's Street Night, and I think we're gonna mess with the snowmobile while she's here. So she's still got some videos, so enjoy.